Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2008 Kawasaki ZX6R Ninja. This bike has just under 13,000 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it. We'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. This bike comes with a dark tinted windscreen. This is a special edition as well. Comes with frame sliders, adjustable levers, tank pad, as well as a fender eliminator. And again, the frame sliders and adjustable levers, as well as the tinted windscreen. Alright, show you the miles now. And there you can see it says special edition. 12,944 is what's on it. This 2008 Special Edition ZX6R will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.